everyone. We're in the south wing of the high school. We're on the second floor, and we're in room 208, one of the larger classrooms in the school. And we just want to show you some of the progress that's been made. A lot of deconstruction and demolition has been done to make room for a lot of the new materials, particularly, as you can see behind us, the new windows. So the new windows will be the full height of the openings that you see. So we're really looking forward to that. It'll be a very efficient and high-performing glass window operating system. Also, the flooring will be redone, of course. We'll have different paint. The ceilings, they've taken out the asbestos and abated all of the school. And then we're going to do lay-in ceilings. Brett has already gotten some rough-in done for the ductwork for our new heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. So we're excited about the progress. Again, a lot of demolition's been going on, and the guys have been working really hard, so we're really grateful to be where we're at right now. I'll turn it over to Father Rome.
Yeah, just an update on our students. They've been handling this very well. There's a lot of excitement. The students are talking about this quite a bit, and some of them have actually been through here and they've seen some of the work that's been done, and that just increased their excitement. But overall, our faculty, our staff, and our students are doing very well with the accommodations that we've had to make for this year, and we're looking forward to this project being completed in the future. But right now we're still continuing our mission for academics and our faith formation, and our students and faculty staff are just overall doing very well with this project, and again are excited, and we're continuing to do everything that we need to do to keep everyone safe and continuing to educate our students here at St. Cecilia.
Yeah, so we're really looking forward to the new environment that we'll be able to offer our students and our faculty as well. And we still need your help. We're about $9.1 million on our initial $10 million campaign. We're going to do some campaigning after that as well to get to the real number of $12 million. But we want to rely on you and your generosity. We know many of you received your great education here from Hastings Catholic School, so thank you for your generosity. Certainly to this point, it's been incredible. We look forward to working with you in the future. God bless you all, and thanks for your generous support.